Hello everyone, welcome to class. Join me as I make this triple rows Alice band fascinator. This is a very short tutorial and we'll be needing our ashoke, 3 pieces of this 28 inches in 3 places. So with the help of our needle and thread, I've already hemmed the edges of the ashoke. I'll do the same thing for the 3. So we are going to fold in one side of the ashoke in a triangle form, just as you are seeing. Then we tack it down with our needle and thread. So now, to those that are familiar with how we form our fan pleats, we'll begin to form our fan pleats. We'll fold it slightly and begin to tack down. We'll do this till the end of this piece. As you can see, our fan is formed. So with this fan, we are going to form our rows. So we'll start rolling in our fan from the end of one side and start tacking it down. As we roll it in, we'll secure it with our needle and thread. And as you begin to do this, you see that your rows is beginning to form.
Reason I breathe, you're the reason I live, you're the reason I'm standing low, you're the reason I move, you're the reason I win, you're the reason I'm standing low. Ooh. I wanna love you, love.
As you can see, our rows is formed and I did the other 2 off camera. So we have our 3 roses. So the next thing we're going is to use our glue gun to gum it on top of the Alice band. You can arrange it whichever way you feel it will come out best, you know. So I'll be doing this with the help of our candle gun, and this is the outcome. This is very easy and simple. I'll go ahead to embellish the middle rows, and this is the final look. How do you love to rock this? Isn't this beautiful? Thank you for staying true to the end of this tutorial. Love you.